So in this video I'm going to customize my dad's MacBook Pro.
Giddy up, giddy up, giddy up, giddy up, giddy up, giddy up.
Only the case.
I got
Time to tape.
trunk in the front, exterior red and that inside buttercup. I got what you need, I got what you want.
Okay, taping done, time to spray. Please don't forget to wash your hands. It didn't work, no! I will try and fix it. Fixed! Time to sketch. I don't like it, I will try something a bit different. Yeah, that's better. So it's time to drink some tea.
Play the keys, don't tweet.
Hi Lolly.
Don't speak. 24 no sleep. This is real, no tweet. My
That's a lot of tea.
break this late. Family on my side. Baby, stay around me. I don't want no combo, I want checks. I don't want the second, I want
Water.
I'm all in my ass way, I'm a wreck. I've been moving like a hot mess. I don't want no combo, I want checks. I don't want the second, I want less. I'm all in my ass way, I'm a wreck. I've been moving like a hot mess. Want that combo, better know you'll need a check from me. Can pay to play, the sun still won't get a cent from me. I mix the fit up with the side like it's a remedy. I mix it.
Time to ink.
To the other side. Chuck it to up to the other side. It's all love, just know we down to ride. No new faces, no strangers vanish. I remember we were down, we never panicked. Now we got it, we super rockin'. Make your little girl wanna dance, see her booty poppin'.
I finally finished it, hope you like it. Time to surprise my dad. Wow.